Good day and welcome to molecule6.com general overview of the JForex platform. So when you're going to register for a demo platform and you will receive a login and a password, then I recommend very highly that you use the JForex platform, which is the platform we are using, most of us, because it's possible to go with automations and there's a lot of neat feature in that platform. So for now, what you're going to see at opening of the JForex platform is something similar to this. And you will see that it's very easy to customize it the way you want. The first thing I want to bring to your attention are the spreads that we have at Dukascopy. You can see here, if I highlight the Euro US, I will have on this side of the window the Euro US bid and ask very clearly. And you can see that we are today, it's a Friday late morning of the New York session. So we are, or I am at the moment, on the Eastern Standard Time. So it's where the Eastern of US time. So at this time of the day, volume starts to slow down a little bit. There's no more news. There's a few other small news coming in about 10 minutes, but that's about it. So what you see here is the spread that we have at this time. So it's between 0.5 and 1.5 pip. It varies a little bit. You can see the tick movement of the bid and the ask, and it goes from 1.5, 1, and then 1.5, and it will go back because it's very quiet at this time, but 0.5, and sometimes when they touch, that means that we had a zero spread here for a little moment. A very quick little moment, there was a zero spread on a large order with people coming in and coming out at exactly the same price for a fraction of a second. So this is very interesting. You will never see something like that on the general or retail brokers. They will benefit for themselves, but not for you. Now we could go and see other currencies. Let's say Euro, franc, Swiss franc, and when you click or highlight that chart, this side will show the Euro franc. So you can see that we have 1.5 at the moment spread. It went down to 1 and 1.5, and there's not much activity at the moment on this pair, but 1 pip spread on the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, and let me show you the USD Swiss franc, for example, and we'll go into another chart a little bit later. But this one, the USD, you can see that the spreads are at 2, 1.5 or 2, and it ranged like that, but it was here for a moment close to like 0.5 or 1, and it's in that area. Here Euro USD CAD, we have a spread of, at the moment, of 2. Then it was for a quick period 1.5, then it will go back to 2 and range. Now at the moment it was 1, now 2, and it's staying in that particular range of spread. Now if we go to other types of currencies, we could open a GBP, Japanese yen, for example, and add the chart, and we have it full range at the moment, and you can see the spreads are in the range of 3, or just about around 3 at this time of the day. Okay, but there is sometimes smaller range, but you can see how it is. Now, just for the demo, I want to do it. I will close this pair, and you have the choice of arranging your tile like it is at the moment. Like you could go from one pair to the other like that. You could also decide to arrange it ordered like this, like it was earlier. You could choose to arrange it horizontal or choose to arrange it vertical. Okay? So usually people will be something like blowing up like this. Okay? But now you could take this and remove it from the pack of the 3 on your first screen and open a separate window that you could bring it. And I've got here a multiple screen computer, so I can move it to the other screen, and I will not take it completely for you to know, but you could arrange and take this and this chart and move it into another screen on the size that you want. If you want it to be like this and you move it to another screen, you could do that for multiple pairs and keep the most active on this screen, the ones that you're going to take your position or whatever. It's very customizable and very easy to do. So, and if you close this, it will come back to the set. So the 2 screens that were outside are now back into our main set. If you leave it out of your screen onto a second or third or whatever number of screen you have, and then you close your platform, it will remember where they were and